What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be going to a car show in New Jersey at Dave & Buster's. So I think this might be a good car show. I've been uploading like car meets for a while and like consistently, but well, not really consistently, but I just posted one the other day, and yeah, I'm going to start posting more videos. So yeah, here's the car meet. All right, guys, we're here. Dude, there's a gold Porsche. You're right, Chan. Look at these cars.
Slow down. Stop.
Slammed cars and everything here.
See that Mustang? The baby.
That thing's sick, dude.
What kind of car is that?
That's a freaking that's a newer car with a kid.
That's a CRX, Chan.
Someone got airbags here.
Yeah.
Look straight ahead. Look to your left. Levi, look.
Come here.
Oh, look who it is. Look. Those cars at the other car meet.
I know.
Oh, wait. No, that ain't it. That's sick.
Look at the size of that fucking thing. That's like a quarter scale.
It's a Bentley.
That ain't a Bentley.
Look.
Yeah, I know. There's so many cool cars.
There's an M&M car that we saw the other day.
What?
Sitting in that back area.
This is a really clean. Look at this. Mexico. It has Mexico plates. Look at that Civic with deep dish rims.
You don't even want to look at that.
Oh my, look at all these. Look at this.
Yeah, look what rims are on that white car over there. They're just last street rims you can get.
The blue.
They look like it.
Is that all the blue
Hold on.
car?
An Aston Martin. Look at this.
Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen.
Hold on. First, I want to get these first. Come here, Dad.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look at the
See that-
wing.
See that Charger?
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
Look at this.
I know. I know. You have to go check Lightning McQueen out. Second.
Look at this Aston Martin. Is this yours? It's a nice car.
It is a nice car.
Thank you. What's your favorite so far?
I don't know. There's a lot of cool cars here.
There it is.
And there's still some more coming in too.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you?
I know.
Watch out, guys. There are cars coming. There are cars moving.
Levi, you want to check Lightning McQueen out?
What is this? What is this?
Come inside by her.
No, what is this car?
Looks like a Nissan Altima. No, that's a, I don't know what that.
Look at the color on this. This is slammed. This is really slammed. Yeah, bad. Look at this.
Let's go check Whiteman McQueen out.
I get.
Who's that fire truck?
That's an old school fire. Guys, stay over this way.
Look at these.
You're gonna miss the red car. Look at that red car. Oh my God! Look at that red car. Look at that red.
Dude, that truck is
Slept
sick.
on society. Slept on society.
Dude, that truck is my favorite thing. And that's what I want you to buy me, Levi.
That is sick.
Dude, look how clean. Look at the color of that thing. I don't even know what it is. It's like a it's not black. It looks like it's like some other type of color. That's a newer Chevy, but it has all old school kit on it. That looks sick. Look at that vet. Dude, that truck is freaking, dude, you know how much money? That's like a chip food shit. Like that truck is with my good man from the ground up. Look how clean that thing is. What the hell? That's pretty cool. Everything about that
Look at Hazard.
thing is sick. That's what I want. If I get it, I don't Dude, that's
It's green.
it is green, but it's like a. Oh, it is green.
Dad, is that and that the same car?
That's a Chevy.
When you hit the button, what?
Look at that all the way down there.
I would take that. Look what's coming in, dude. Oh my god. That's a tuner.
In GTA 5, they call it a tuner. That's a sick WRX. I want to go over there. Why? So, because we can get better videos. We can get better videos.
Dude, whatever that old
Because
car
the
is,
sun
it's
isn't.
rare.
He's got one going outside.
What is that black car? All the way at the end.
What?
I hear a song that I hear on YouTube somewhere.
That's a Stingray, dude.
Look at all these coming. Look at that minivan down there.
My guy would drive it down the road.
Look at that. All the
It
way
might be a Plymouth, Levi.
A Plymouth.
I thought it was like a Mercury or something. What is that? It's a Plymouth Fury.
Are they rare?
They got it on frickin', that's a car I keep trying to get on frickin' Forza. And you can't even find it in the auction. One dude had it. That, yeah. It's a different body style one, but yeah, that's it, the Fury. See it on the side? you get the black jersey plates, dude?
That's what I want to know.
Did he make them? And they're not.
Dude, that's aim takes.
They are. This is
How's this, Dad?
That's cool, man.
Whoa!
Oh, they sell Hot Wheels.
Okay, go check.
That's what we need to. That's what we need to create for the kids.
Look at this. Look at the color.
Look at him painting that act, dude.
This is cool. It's an old Accord.
You can look at the headliner. They're not puzzles. They light up, but the lights cause the battery's bad.
There's Mario.
They're starting to look up. They got puzzles.
Oh,
That's cool.
Did you get right here?
Yeah.
Look. There's a sick pop. Right there. Levi, look at that. That. Thing on our back.
That's a sandwich with bumper delete.
I know.
It's a giant wing.
It's like the fucking ball swing.
I know.
That's like the final wing of life.
That was the first. Also black, but.
Look at the queen.
Remember how we had all of those like stickers?
And I slapped it on the side of his car where all the rally stickers were, and that stayed on that car for like 5 or 6 months.
Levi, imagine
Look at it trying
Look at the queen.
Look at this. Look at this.
Dude, look who it is on Monsters Inc.
Look,
With that
look.
solid-
I am. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this. Look, my birthday's on it.
11/13.
What is it?
That's what's it called. That's Amtrak.
What is that?
Oh shit, that's cool. Wow. Did you get the tongue and stuff?
What is that?
See that?
Oh, I saw this driving around before.
I'm sure it was that one now. Then go grab it. Just grab the bag. I'll take one. How you doing, man?
How are you?
Good, bro. What are you going in?
Look at this. Look at this Integra.
That is cool.
Look at this. This is sick.
That's sick, dude.
Look, that's all forged carbon.
Look at that speakers.
Whoa. Come on. Come here. You gotta see this. This is a speaker.
That's a forged wrap. That's a forged carbon wrap.
Oh, it's a rat.
See it?
Levi, over here.
You see that black truck over there? I heard a guy talking.
Mm-hmm.
He said it was a farm truck and never saw the road.
Look at that engine.
You still gotta get.
Look at the color on this. Oh, look, this is the car we saw coming in here. This is the car we saw coming in here, guys. And look at this. Look, guys, that sign. Oh my, look at the exhaust. That's a Stingray.
The new one, that ain't the new one. The new ones sound like fucking supercars. Look, there's that Ford, look. This truck here, the guy was talking, the dude with the green truck that they were talking about. He said that truck was never seen the road. It was a farm truck when he got it, and it was just for hauling shit around a farm. So imagine how beat up that was before he started destroying it. That black truck, yeah. I overheard him.
There's 2 spots. Since Blue got there, it's kind of 1.5 spots, but we'll get you in there.
$10 for 10 tickets to bed.
Yeah.
It is not clean. It's not clean. I brought it.
All right, all the kids, please make
Look at the back lights. Look at the back lights.
They're cool.
Dude, they're rare. I never saw one of those.
Is that right-hand drive or left?
So we just got goodie bags with stuff in it and like a Hot Wheel. And me and my brother got them. And Chan, you got this, like, we got these tickets. And you have to put it in your favorite, like, put it in a bag near your favorite car. And I think you guys already know what I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna pick the R32. So, yeah. So my brother picked this Porsche.
That's your favorite?
That's my brother's favorite.
All right.
Guys, I'm going to put it in. Where's the bag?
Back up. Huh?
Hold on.
Yeah.
So just watch your feet for the signature, okay?
What if I like broke it?
Okay, go ahead and sit in there and then engage the positive and watch the shifter. All right, engage the negative.
That's how we set up the sequential with the paddle shifters, yo. That's so sick.
I know. I know. Sick. Oh,
Oh my God, Levi, did you get that?
what? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
There's a Jack comes. Dude on a blue shell.
Now he wants freaking glasses.
This guy. He's got skinny. Slick in the back.
Watch Chan. I don't know where he is. He's
They're not your desk. Steph?
I don't know.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Everywhere, right? Move, Chan.
these Mustangs. Dude, cross. I know. This car's sick.
Thanks. Very old car. Extremely
Yeah.
old.
I like them though.
Yeah, very old. Very old. 31 years old.
Is it?
31, 93.
Yeah.
They don't make them.
Civic, clean Civic. Imported from Japan. That's imported from Japan.
Japan flag on it.
Yeah, look at this.
What's the M&M? Yo, that motherfucker leaves.
I'm just in the cars.
I only got 148.
I see this guy sometimes. I know where he lives. The wing is sick.